Good morning, students. Today we are going to derive the equations for motion. So there are three equations for motion. First one is V is equal to U plus AT. Second one is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. In this chapter, we are going to derive these expressions graphically. So this graph shows that there is a change in velocity with respect to time, and here the body is uniformly accelerated. So when the object starts from the point D and its velocity keeps on increasing, and after the time of t seconds it reaches the point B. So the initial velocity of the body is u. Here u is equal to OD. So OD is equal to AE. So that's u, initial velocity. Then after the time of t seconds, the final velocity of the body is OC. OC is equal to EB. So this is OC. OC, that is equal to EB. So the time taken here is OE, that's T. What is OE? OE is equal to dA. So that's the time taken by the body. So from that we can derive the equation for acceleration. Here the velocity of the body changes with respect to time. So what is acceleration here? Change in velocity by time taken. So what is change in velocity? Final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken t. So if you bring the t this side, that will becomes multiplication. Here it's in division. So when it comes this side of the equal sign, that will be in multiplication. So AT is equal to V minus U. So if you bring this U this side, here U is in minus state. So when this comes this side, that will become plus. So V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation we have derived for motion. Then the second equation, from the graph the distance covered by the object during the time t is S. So that's the second equation. We are going to derive the expression S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Here S is the displacement. So the displacement of the body is nothing but the quadrangle. The quadrangle is the displacement done by the body. Quadrangle means nothing but the rectangle plus the triangle. That's called as quadrangle. Rectangle plus the triangle. So the displacement of the body is this area DOEA. That area is the displacement. So what's that? AE into OE, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. So AE into, this is breadth, this is length. So OE, AE into OE. That is the area of the rectangle plus the area of the triangle. DAB, the triangle. Here half into B into H. So half into B into H. H is AB, B is DA. Half into B into H. So already we know that what is AB? AB is EB minus EA. That's AB. EB minus EA that's equal to AB. EA is what? U. So the total distance EB is B. So if we substitute these values, what we are getting? UT plus half AT square, that we are getting. So that's the second equation. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Then coming to the third equation, from the graph, the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of the quadrangle DOEB. That is DOEB. If you have this like this, so that will be a trapezium. Here, if you have this like this, that will show a trapezium. So the area of the trapezium we have to find. So the area of the trapezium is nothing but half into sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides into the distance between the parallel sides. That's the area of the trapezium. So here, that is half into U plus V into T. So if you apply the value for T, A is equal to V minus U by T. That we know already. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. So from that expression, if you derive the value for T, T is equal to V minus U by A. We are bringing this T this side and we are bringing this A this side. So T is equal to V minus U by A. That's the value of T. So we are applying this value here for T. So V minus U by A. So this how this is like. This expression is like the formula, algebraic formula. That is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. This is in this form. So we can have that U plus V into U minus V. That is equal to V square minus U square. We can have that like that. So 2 into A is equal to 2A. So half into V square minus U square. If you bring this 2A this side, that will be 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So V square, if you keep this V square this side and if you bring this U square that side, that will become plus. So V square is equal to VU square plus 2AS. So this is the third expression for equation of motion. So thank you students. Study this equation well. If you have any doubt, you ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.